Cafecito with Teacher Catalina. I'm so glad you're back for episode number 5 of Cafecito. I love to share my mornings with you and learn a little bit of Spanish. Don't forget to like and subscribe to share the love. So today we're going to do something silly. Basically, I'm going to teach you how to laugh in Spanish. You're probably like, what? What is she talking about? Well, let me explain a little bit to you. Have you ever received a text from a Spanish speaker? If you have, you may have encountered this situation. If you haven't, no problem. I'm going to get you prepared for that. So let's start with a little joke to get you in the mood of thinking how to laugh in Spanish. What is the funniest fruit in Spanish? Stop and think. The funniest fruit in Spanish. That would be la naranja. 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 So you're probably not laughing yet, but basically what I want to point your attention to is the J-A at the end of naranja. Notice how the J has the sound of an H in English. Ha. Naranja. Good. Naranja. Excellent. That's orange. So it's that simple. Just by learning the word naranja, you've learned how to laugh in Spanish. How? Ha, ha, ha. That's how you laugh in Spanish. When you are texting with a Spanish-speaking friend and somebody laughs, ha, 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 is what you are going to get on those text messages or those emails or those instant messages. So remember the word naranja, the funniest fruit in Spanish, and you will remember how to laugh in Spanish. Ha, ha, ha! So remember, the sound of the J in Spanish is that same sound that the H does in English. Ha, ha, ha. I hope you enjoyed today and you got a little laugh. I'm going to let you go because the deer are over here and I want to take a good look at them. I will see you tomorrow. Adios. Hit like and subscribe.